Muimenera gwe kaunti ya Kisii Doris Donya Aburi nigo akora etaro yobokonyi ne gusira ebyombe by'abakungu ase wodi eri ibeno achinga kidonya aika senseme yoni garu gusira akwa ebyombe asoko bwatokerebe sera bakonya asoko kinyo bakorali bwabo achinga kichi ni garu achi afakado ekyo abahaka kurwakira chiko bachigusime kwa muna baswati akubasira samatuko ali mutwe utikana na yudonya nigarwa chitangi 15 nabo igo asensemende nigabaga kurwa ebikoroto kuchia ase abana chinyaruka nonyina bo donya nigo abakagusaba abagaka nabangina kurwa asenseme yugwetanga kurwa asamagana gender based violence ayo abirega korenta obokongu bonge chiminano chigenkano guitana kuirira ogokwa kwa abantu abange nigo nonyina bodonya hate baguna igangene ne yaye korengana ichibese chiri abagumenera bakoyewa nigo chire chinke na igotegwanera tiko na komuche buna nigago chitakuna kurende chiri chinke nigago chitumeka samagenderero aganirie
tuate biria bangina baende basimeke chiasa bakade chigabaoni tuate faida tuate biria bangina nabagakamba kurwana ebakoreta ibu asa bagaka nabangina na monomo na sabana babo on the same time to abangina chibese chiabo chebimbe okero muntu namanyete nga the office of the woman representative funded egentege gasana bono abante bagutumia e opportunity yo kwanyoro mutako ndobo abangina manya koreta chibese chebimbe mumanyete biya kabisa your education manya mutako kumanya chibese woman representative yenda se portal ya parliament modigere the allocation of women it will guide you on the things we are doing that we are responsible for the major things Motage temple and yet I can't do because the office doesn't have those resources. Over 3,000 in 1 year. All school, every constituency was represented. We don't have a lot of money, we do savings, we buy to another. But next we'll be moving to another ward. I've narrowed it down now to ward per ward because I've already moved constituencies. Now I've started wards by ward.
So kipanda tunatumia space ya 5 meters square around 5 meters the spacing. Alafu kipanda kwenda chini tunachimba shimo inatoshana na hii ball the soil times kwenda chini mara mbili so that kipanda ukitoa mchanga ya juu unaweka kando the first layer, the second layer pia uweke kando, third layer uweke kando. So the third layer ukianza unachukua mbolea ile ya organic ile ya nyumbani na mix na ile mitoa ya kwanza the first layer unaweka chini kwanza. So unachukua hii ya pili, unachukua ya tatu unaweka inakuwa ya chini. Pia unamix ya tatu pia ile unatoa chini so ukiweka hivi unaweka una make sure mchanga imefunika up to this level. Penye wakati umefikia una make sure penye unaipanda hakuna water hiyo area isiwe water ile inakuwa na acha maji. So na inahitaji mchanga ya loamy soil na sandy soil. Usipande kwa clay soil ama soil itaoza. Ukifanya hivyo mchanga